Hi! Let's learn English every day through how to buy a bus ticket in English. Step 1. Decide your travel date and destination. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am deciding my travel date and destination. Please repeat after me. I am deciding my travel date and destination. Step 2. Open a bus ticket website or app. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am opening a bus ticket website. Please repeat after me. I am opening a bus ticket website. Step 3. Search for available buses. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am searching for available buses. Please repeat after me. I am searching for available buses. Step 4. Choose your preferred bus and seat. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am choosing my bus and seat. Please repeat after me. I am choosing my bus and seat. Step 5. Enter your personal details. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am entering my personal details. Please repeat after me. I am entering my personal details. Step 6. Make the payment. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am making the payment. Please repeat after me. I am making the payment. Step 7. Download or screenshot the bus ticket. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am downloading my bus ticket. Please repeat after me. I am downloading my bus ticket. Step 8. You are ready to travel. Do you know what I am doing? Yes, I am ready to travel. Please repeat after me. I am ready to travel.